G'day YouTube viewer, g'day riders. Just been out for a quick ride on the GB350 and noticed something I overlooked before in the recent reviews. I have to say this bike has the smoothest clutch and gear change I've ever experienced on a motorcycle. It really is a slight snick every time you go up and down a gear, and the clutch pull I've never felt anything that light. It was only yesterday I pulled the clutch in on a friend's Harley and it was really heavy. In comparison, when I hopped on this, it really stood out how light it was and how easy the gears flick up and down. I think I've made the ideal choice for riding hood to learn on because it is going to be so easy to change gears on this bike compared to what she was learning on. And the other thing that stood out, because I was poking around town and quiet country lanes, is whenever you're in third and fourth gear in particular and you're at low revs and you accelerate not too hard but fairly gently, that's when the sound of this bike and the exhaust is at its best. Absolutely unbelievable. Intoxicating would be the word. So if you ever get a chance to test ride one on a gentle hill that's going down in particular, or when you come around a corner and you accelerate flat or down a gentle hill, and you're in third or fourth gear at fairly low revs, just turn the throttle gently, not too fast, gently, and it makes the most amazing sound. Anyway, I just wanted to highlight that observation about the GB350 because obviously it's not the same with the version being launched in Europe right now, the GB350S, and between that smooth gear changing, that sound of acceleration in third and fourth gear, and that great ability to blip and make an awesome sound when you're changing down gears, makes this bike contagious in my view. Even though it's low powered, it's a lot of fun. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, very short one. Please like and subscribe and join me on the next one. Safe riding, see you soon.